Well, I'm Riley Winch live here in Tropical Storm Isaias here in Flanders Park, where we are currently anticipating the arrival of three main threats. Those three main threats will be the tornadic threat, the wind threat, and the rain threat. Let's start off with probably the most significant threat we are seeing from this storm, and that would be the tornadic threat. Now, with the tornadic threat, we have seen just about 100 tornado warnings issued for Isaias since its landfall last night in North Carolina. And we're expecting to see more, especially in our area as we head throughout the next few hours from this storm. Now, we are under a tornado watch until 4 p.m. today, and tornado warnings are expected to be issued across the area. They've been pretty widespread as of late, and when you get those tornado warnings, you want to make sure you get inside immediately, as these are going to be rain-wrapped, brief tornado spin-ups, and they're moving very quickly, so there won't be much time to see them once you get that warning. It's a pretty much get to your safe space as soon as you get that warning. Then the next thing we want to talk about here is the heavy rain threat. Now, we are experiencing heavy rains. The heaviest of the rain will be to the west of our area, but we are expecting to see quite significant rainfall, about 2 to 4 inches within the next couple hours, and too much at one time is a bad thing. We could be seeing pretty significant flooding in the area, although the worst of the flooding will be to our west, but we do have a moderate chance at seeing flooding from the National Weather Service, and we want to make sure that if we are driving or we are encountering flood waters, we turn around, we don't drown. We don't want to be causing a high water rescue for our officials. Now, the last threat we want to talk about here is the wind threat that we are seeing from Isaias. And we expect winds to be sustained around 20 to 30 miles per hour as we head throughout the next couple hours, with wind gusts above 60 miles per hour in our area. We're going to see worse winds as we get closer to the coast and to the east of our area, but we are still expecting potential for wind gusts above 60 miles per hour, which is more than enough to cause some pretty widespread power outages. Here we should be expecting them as we head throughout the next couple hours with this storm. So those are the main threats from Isaias. It's a very quick mover, moving at 35 miles per hour, so it will be a quick hit and then it will be out of here. So as long as we get through the next couple of hours, pretty much before 5 p.m. today, we will be fine with this storm. Stay safe. I'm signing off. It's Riley Winch.